Good morning. My name is Brondelyn. I am a Memphian. I am coming to share my experience with restoration roofing. Three things that were really good for my experience was one, my experience with Brent, who is the owner of the company. Two, their project manager was exceptional. And then three, the quality of the work that was done by the guys who was actually doing the work, that was really good. So, in summary, when I think of Brent, he was very ethical. He was forthcoming. He was just straightforward. He was actually very helpful with me working with the insurance adjuster to ensure that what my insurance took care of was fair and it was accurate. The second thing I was really happy about is that the project manager that was assigned to my job, he was always on site whenever the guys were here, and he ensured that the guys were doing everything that they needed to do, that all of the cleanup work, all of the prep work, everything, he made sure everything was done to my satisfaction with little to no follow-up. He was actually very good because he was the liaison between me and Brent and the guys. So he really took care of everything. And I liked the way he was hands-on with the job. The third thing that I think that was exceptional is that the guys that Brent employed to actually do the work were really good because they did the work that Brent told me that they would do. And that's actually really good because Brent was the one who sold me the job. But the guys who actually did the work, they're the ones who have to carry out the spirit and carry out the actual labor. And I think he did a really good job at selecting quality guys to work. The work they did was of quality. I didn't have any follow-up that was needed. Everything just was really good. One of the things that was really remarkable for me was that the project manager told me at the beginning of the job and throughout the job, my house would be a mess, that they would have stuff everywhere. But he promised me when they left, everything would be cleaned up. And I promise you, as I stand here now, when they left, everything was clean. There wasn't a single nail that was left on my property, which is excellent. So that was the lasting impression I had from Brent and his team. Again, I would recommend Brent with his restoration company for anyone who is looking to, one, have a quality job, two, to have help with their insurance adjusters to ensure that they receive what it is that they actually need. And then three, if they want to work with someone who's going to be fair, ethical, and honest. I had that experience with Brent and his company and his guys, and it's just remarkable. And I'm very pleased. As you can see, I have a brand new roof. It's been a little while now, but it's holding up as I expect it would. And I don't have any issues. So if you need a roofing company, call Brent at Restoration Roofing. He will take care of the job.